Farming. Obviously, the first meaning of farming in your dictionary refers to working on a farm, growing crops like rice, soybeans, or wheat, or keeping animals. Video gamers will often have a different meaning in mind, however. For them, farming means gathering or collecting items they need to get stronger and more powerful. The easiest example comes from Fortnite, where, apart from gathering weapons and medical supplies, players cut down trees, destroy cars, break down walls, and so on, to gather the building materials, wood, metal, and brick. Ninja, Tyler Blevins, is famous for how fast he does this. In League of Legends, farming means collecting gold to buy needed items. Players do this by killing minions or monsters, especially at the beginning of the game. Minions are those small soldiers that come in waves to enter the fight. Be sure to subscribe, and please let us know if you have any suggestions for more vocabulary.